Hello everyone, welcome to mbgs.com. So this is our first lecture on COVID-19. So I will be uploading 8 videos regarding COVID-19 as I have already uploaded the schedule of those classes. So in this video, I will be discussing about the COVID-19 virus, the introduction part and the physiology part, the modes of transmission of this virus and the high risk groups individuals. So let's begin with this topic. So first of all, this virus is known as SARS-CoV-2 virus. So this is the structure of this virus. As you can see in this virus, there is a envelope present. This is helical in shape and this is RNA virus and it has some protein which is spike glycoprotein which is denoted as S, and this is also having membrane protein which is denoted as M, and it is a nucleocapsid virus. So it is enveloped virus. It is helically symmetrical virus. This is RNA virus. So this is about the structure of this virus. Now coming to another part, which is physiology or how it acts on the host cell. So as you know that this virus is having spike proteins which is denoted as S, and this spike protein has two subunits S1 and S2. So this is the structure of spike protein and it is having S1 and S2 subunit. So what happens, S1 unit helps in binding with the host cell or host receptor, which is ACE2 receptor, and this S2 helps in binding the complete virus with the host cell. So as you can see in this part that this is S1, this is S2, and this is the receptor, and this S1 binds with this receptor, and now the receptor, that is S2 part, starts bending, and this helps in fusion of viral cell with host cell. Okay, so this is about the S1 and S2 subunit. Now this virus, this is the virus and this is the host cell or a human cell, and these cells are having ACE2 receptors on its surface. So this S protein binds with this ACE2 receptors. So what will happen, the virus enters the host cell, virus enters the host cell by binding with ACE2 receptors, and these ACE2 is mainly expressed by type 2 alveolar cell. These type 2 alveolar cells are present in lungs, and these are the primary target of SARS-CoV-2 virus. Okay, so this is about the physiology of this SARS-CoV-2 virus. Now coming to the modes of transmission. Now the modes of transmission, as you can see in this pictorial diagram, this is the infected individual and how he spreads all the viruses to another individuals. So you all know that this is the respiratory disorder or disease, respiratory disease. So it is mainly spread through droplet type of infection. So what are droplet type of infection? As the patient sneezes or coughs, they suspend some particles which is in the aerosol form, and the size of these particles are more than 5 micrometer and it can travel up to 1 meter. So it can travel up to 1 meter. So the first mode is the droplet type of mode. Now the another mode is droplet nuclei. So what are the droplet nuclei? As these aerosol are the liquid form, these aerosol contain some fluid, and this fluids come into environment and starts evaporating into the environment. So only the nuclei, the small dots, these denotes the nuclei. The size of these suspended particles are less than 5 micrometer in diameter, and it can travel more than 1 meter. So it is the airborne nuclei infection. This is the second type of transmission. Now another type of transmission is direct contact, as another person comes to the COVID positive patient. Now another type of transmission or mode of transmission is indirect contact. So these are the 4 modes of transmission. Mainly they can infect another person with droplet infection. This is the most common mode of transmission. Now the incubation period is from 1 to 14 days, and the type of epidemic, this epidemic is a type of propagated epidemic. Now coming to the major risk factors for COVID-19. So the major risk factors for severe COVID-19 infection. This includes, first is the main factor is age, which is more than 60 years. Another is cardiac disease. Another is respiratory disease, which is chronic lung disease. Another is cerebrovascular disease, hypertension, chronic kidney disease, decreased immunity or immunocompromised patients, patient with cancers. So these are the major risk factors for severe COVID-19 disease. So these are the high risk groups. So this is all for this video. In the next video we will discuss about sample collection, the various tests, and the protocol for RT-PCR. So hope you like this video. Please press the like button and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of our new video. Thank you.